Well, this morning we're working to learn more about an explosion and fire in Greenville that left a person severely injured. It happened at the Dicastal manufacturing facility where they make aluminum alloy wheels. Fox 17's Matt Whitcoast is on the scene speaking to Wyoming Public Safety.
Clear signs of structural damage. The exterior of the walls of the building had actually exploded and was sent debris outward. You can see around, you can see debris that appears to be that had been on the inside was actually blown outside.
A massive explosion inside the back section of Dicastal.
There's a lot of debris. There's a debris field. It does look like there was an explosion.
Greenville Department of Public Safety Sergeant Steve DeWitt says crews were called in at 10:15.
This area of the building, as I understand, is what they consider their furnace room. This is where they take large blocks of solid aluminum or magnesium. They melt it down in blast furnaces, and then they use that liquid metal for the rest of the process. So this area has a lot of furnace and tremendous heat.
Somebody caught the explosion on video over 20 miles away.
You have a report that one employee did receive fairly serious injuries, has been transported by Montgomery County EMS to a Grand Rapids area hospital.
DeWitt telling Fox 17 that everyone else is accounted for who was working.
Do you know how many people were working at this hour?
I don't. They do run a 24-hour shift. It is a large facility. I don't know how many at this time.
Dicastal manufactures aluminum alloy wheels for the auto industry, including the Big Three.
One of the challenges that we have with this type of fire is we cannot use water on liquid metal. Aluminum, magnesium reacts violently with water, so it's not a traditional firefighting effort. We can't just put water on it and put it out. So we have to use dry chemicals, or we have to remove the oxygen from the fire.
Crews dealing with pop-up fires following the initial explosion. DeWitt adding there's no environmental danger.
We're probably smelling is our chemicals that we're using to put out wet fire that we do have.
Over the years, crews responding to multiple fires.
Usually it's anywhere from alarms or small fires in the ventilation system. Same ventilation system that we're having issues with today.
At this time, the cause of the explosion is under investigation. We'll update you when we learn more. In Greenville, I'm Matt Whitcoast, Fox 17 News.
Now, this isn't the first fire at that plant. In 2020, a fire broke out after aluminum particles caught fire inside a furnace. Crews had to use chemical fire extinguishers to put it out. Now, the building did not suffer any damage. Crews were also called to that facility twice in 2019, once in September for a fire that required 2 different departments to put it out, and another less than 2 weeks later for a fire in the building's melting area. It was quickly contained and there were no injuries or equipment damage.